Mame ma akwaba emfa wombra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusuafo ena no ye wo Ghana ha na insutoi the whole of Accra Fl00d amafo wi pa Japade bebre so seye ye prompte NDC for ya to aba mo ka kire yen say eye NPP for fault because in 2019 Nanado Edekoto World Bank and say Fl00d na ekoso wa Accra no mo yin scan en fendi huduma 2019 omote garage omo dis eho sika bai so omo fa garage omo fa project no sika 2019 e bai yo I think say 2025 and NPP for AUC scan bi scanning kind da ho a World Bank website report no wo ho NDC for say Ghana for yen parking kan and ya adwene so nse da nya adwuma sa nti wa membu na omo abebu ne de omo twentro chen omo didi tumi no so they do not owe us any explanation ti ye fa ye kwasase no fu so me ye blame NPP party na Ghana for yes one ye papa na ya sack omo no we should blame them na his excellency John Dramani Mahama okotena helicopter expire wi no and obe osive no be ka kire Ghana for say efika ho and ahefofo no so ma toton sase nya na NPP communicate be che say o Ghana ha o sa ahefofo atonton sase utu kwan kwa manone a o say drainage no yenti nse wo de atu
na fo because omo atoro nchama to wo mo no I was so common and shedi ekosui senior under Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo what is say so yiria to the extent say afa kromu ni nyina
probably because in Sweden to say the to anano no
unim Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni MPP na proactive
okay
na ye make sure say ye be ye nneoma enkofa sa de ne ma it Ashanti region ya say na Fl00d power anameboa so ka atafo akwan ni so
yeah bridge you know
so ni to ana enipa ntumi nko
when that situation oh the terrible power
ne kumo say atiye ama wa refie atiye ana ama wa refie
ne sa na was nken
na me say atiye na ama wa refie wo refie say eye mampani bi ene aban bi ne ba ya o yes ade no aban we oba ye ede no aye oba ye ede no aye dede ene kasa hunu na faso bi ene so na mo ka kire Ghana for it today the ekoso no eye John Mahama ne negligence on any NDC for and akofa de ehun eba because in opposition mo ka say Akufo-Addo it yomo ba ombe gu sanitation ministry omugu no de na aba omugu no emfaso ba nyenya emfaso yenya ne emfaso boni a enenso yirifa Ghana for na mo opposition no so mo refie mo President Mahama we na share mo say oba build the reservoirs na nsuo we to a wotumia krabi and there ye bi sasa reservoir na wo he reservoir na ndisi for mo promise ye no mo ne President Mahama promise say eno a mo be ye nti nsuo nyiri fa Ghana for biom no e wo he aza ene kalabulefo a o mubuman aza fo nko a iti ene Ghana for mo nkan ene important nti asese John Mahama one ne NDC for no me say omuso mu ntua contractors ne ka o tom no makwa dredge eye gates na mai na nsuo ne nyakwan ya den akọ no mo sori amasan kukuru ntansa na enka ne Mahama ko gina ma no ne aka tell say yemfa so bo embo ahemfo no matwitwa nsase aton President Mahama na enye engineering problem bia but today of full plane wie ye no a okọ ne nam wie mu wie ya o ka se Ghana from ho sere no today o say engineering problem who say president who say onkanokre who say onkanokre because who kanokre who could the subwako born nananom say nananom akotwitwa nsase aton ena ma nsuo yiri fa Ghana for but enei de na ekoso eti na say me twa 350 million wanwani omo fa nkwa de ebe yeti say na anu de ne bia na de ekoso no minim say spiritual wo say den yo because under President Mahama June 3rd be 2015 say EBCU enu kwa de na yensuo ni ja ene the same thing as say June na mu bi am say 30th June see me boa it June there under President Mahama June there e wo se hwe ne because eya ye hu eya ye say obedi mampani bi asa ne ma ni si e de na ekoso yi dey na ekoso because 30th June and about come say 3rd June
Oga go see saying
it yen question the spiritual aspect na so nka ho because President Mahama ni June bia aya na ehu okrom na woni made ba kwa yem ya yem areho hwe nipa ewu beye almost says ebro 37 o say almost 50 mebo and omo ma yira kran na woni say Cape Coast nko nipa 18 nipa 18 o Cape Coast iti wo famu omamu ni nyina edoso wonim se bepem ne President Mahama ntumi entna se enka se yenye bibi ma wona gogu wafa atoranche mawu no nipa 8 helicopter bi e crashe eno mu wi ye tu na mienu esi ho se ye de money sankrofo we nyina but today the NDC ne President Mahama e ka chen say sankrofo no hu hia chen nipa over 30 or over 40 na emawu no sana mo ka kire iti enya me nwa se ndra mo hye fita eko gina eye friends park bi so ana omusi omuhurihuri omuda nyankopon ase muda nyankopon ase se wokum ye ana muda nyankopon ase se nsuo yiri afaye omo ntwene ye ho ne bukat ne zane kindaros adwene ene da NDC ne ne President Mahama mutum omtrim adene Ghana for ebre but President Mahama se onsi masa ase we susu ne ensi ba so china osima
that's what I see for
but do you know something
that's what we
and that's what that malam because yatra krom how mama te iwu fo papa abusia eniema ekoso no enya hojo emu awro ho papa o meya fa na nyina si na ye busasa ye den na dwomama nko aba sa de manisi na de nwanwa ne se ensubra ne beto mama time bia na gya so dem adan
enu na ehu no
abusia monyini wu ye na nipa wo ya ka na asem no won fa wo se nipa bewu no afo aman
enu na ehu no
wo de ensubra ne tope na gya tiatom oda na fo ya mamo kafra nyame tiase mo amunwuye no nyame onhwe mokwa emu oya pa onantefo kamia me nante musoi e na omobotomu ananka jamaba e dia wogi wei na me kra na me gidama ba tere mpa bo beta akiri ba mumu se yese eye den e na jomama ba de piano minia abususem abaisem esie do adwane na ni ba bi ote what menya sofo bia begira ho e ka say this man is a man na dia emanya me ni sokra ni say o say your national day of prayer eno dia say o kan 2 Chronicles 7 no a wo say say me man a wa fra omros jai nya wo mo ye na obom pa ye awrade betie onso ba ye wo de wuntumi egina ho e wo no ni land e say o mpere ya fa ni ntum meanwhile wo di nsase bi so ma onu Ibrahim ya me betie o mpa bo
there be enra report abase bosomtwen yes bosomtwen o ma shase etu bosomtwen
na ka bi ni ho
ai so bosomtwen
na bi ni ho
etu ho den
bono any bono is near to garam say
edo ma hini krom na ebi ni and the kufu de
ene wamu a
so say ko
what you say na ufri so abasa ampa na wo hye nyame abufuo
in fact you so to e ko hesa mra boy a werebe ho
jo mama wo hye nyame abufuo sa wo to okro no a mo boni sei etimi kotrase koto train we say the ba papa obi a wo gina wa catch let me quote certain things over here under drainage tiha or say construct dams in northern Ghana to manage flood waters from the Bagre Dam, safeguarding agriculture and infrastructure. Oba he wetimi aye some be create dams they tosu to or say ensuring coordinated water management to prevent flooding from Akosomo Dam spillage. Meno kase Akosomo ayema ba okuje tonu masima okoka ye de campaign TMPPC empa you go for asem no de di kan wo mo weja de wo mo nya Ghana fo yakotu yampam wo mo weja wo mo de wo yanka fo nti Akosomo ayema no mo free source mo ko bie no and then water region for no any abomo nsemo entro no dos nti no dia face on bebie
and so mo kan say akufo ado asheda na we bi dam
they say I'm telling you from the intel Akosomo ayema
on bebie ken
man bien so a esai
on bebie
oni pa wo kasama dwene wo yie fanyansa
They will have to open.
What you say? So. Was say you build water retention and detention ponds in flood-prone cities for flood control and irrigation. You be san gutters no near the adimu. LBS san yama and so bet me affirm. And no elho. Say you empower local government to desil drains regularly, especially before the rainy season. And send in so better no local government constituencies, anyone is saying districts, any municipal assemblies no. Ya be mu sika mo team sika dem dey akomo because sika no say 25 million as against 250,000 na kufu ade de kono. It is say sika no dey atete gata nu. Enka masama bebre. Enka poklas bebre. Enka pon kataman so bebre. Enka lojo kuku bebre. Enka takrade samna boy any or say enche ebebre. It is sika no machebi. Na seven kia utu sire so di anka unche. Na kufu ade ya dwuma ye ni raba omia ema wa mu kofa. What is saying? Some machine you friend say krampo.
Excavator drip machines.
Drip machines buy. And never drip machine. So call a year into that yes so MC. What the 2 gallon say?
Yo.
And then one the hang high. And to a be anko no what this kasa to na kwasa job machines and kaya how ni. Near catch them say e word will be abewu. Now do a chikoja kwesi basashi ade adue. And then nkrofoi amam pamfo. Baby adia kodro no. Drip machines Rusia di adwuma and carry any. Mania, but they are not to change. Also, we will construct storm drainage systems in critical urban areas to mitigate flood risk. And also, no, what's the constructed drainage cycle? Yes, a comfort musu na kuko ne ye. Uga to be o okra. Na nkodo na nkamuntim. Mo ba ye close to 2 years. Mo timuda. Mo guzum lion. And I'm say a good national sanitation and famo ye and swim kafana can be yes so pursue no man at the cancan where the water and treat ho no we are kase Ghana from Hufi and I class sembi kasa or man penny mama be very careful we respect you could you say 24-hour economy no ye de jaye bam na one more a year and plan adwuma no so am bon one kasa to mature person. Now there will be here a persuade man who bon. Say a man a kodwemu. A man a kodwemu would fia okuna say who bon. Who bon what? With full respect. As a president, what you say? What describe ni pasa? Now no wonder. So one classmate or describe on sir. Ezra or describe on the book. Your mama no describe on sir. A 10-year dear of fanukwa. What you say? What the other to say? We will install coverts on major roads. We will install coverts on major roads to improve water flow during rainy season. Say major roads no. What the cover better to one more. Say the son of them. The American war person no. Any NDC manifesto. A resetting agenda. Jobs, accountability, prosperity. NDC manifesto 2024. May kind area free. Page 68, 0.4.2.3 drainage and irrigation systems. Our programs to improve drainage and irrigation includes and